Hello everybody, my name is Snowy and this is just a simple tutorial how to show you how to put this icon and also this icon onto your desktop. After you have installed Windows 10, maybe also Windows 11, often the network icon is not there and also this PC icon is not there. So how you get them there? Well, first of all you click here on the screen with the right mouse button, then you click on personalize, then you click on Teams over here, Teams, and then here on the right side you have like desktop icon settings. You click that and then you have this option of putting these things on your desktop. You can also apply the control panel, the recycle bin or user files or whatever you like. I only use the computer, the network and the recycle bin. And you can even disable the Teams to be changed desktop icon. I mean, that's something you can do whatever you like. So that's just the little tip that I have for you guys. I mean, I hope it helps you well. Okay guys, thank you for watching and until next time. See you. Bye bye.